'cause I don't wanna miss you no more. Every now and then I get a little lonely. I can't hold myself alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this bronzy summer makeup look. It's actually like my go-to summer makeup look just because it is very bronzy, very glowy. It's still light on the face. It's not overly, you know, full coverage. I just think that it looks so beautiful on the skin, and it's just a really nice way to enhance your beauty for the summertime. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, how I did it, then please keep watching. And by the way, if you guys didn't already see my last video, which was my vlog on me dyeing my hair, then definitely go and check it out. So I actually decided to dye my hair. If you guys don't know, I did dye it. I have posted it everywhere pretty much on Snapchat, Instagram, so if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my hair now. I just think that it makes me look very like mature. I feel like I don't look like a little kid anymore. I don't know, that's just me, that's just how I feel. But definitely let me know how you guys like my hair down below. Do you think that I should actually go a little lighter on the bottoms? I do plan on going a little lighter just because, like, I don't know, I'm really digging like the like almost like platinum blonde, but only at the bottom, and keeping the roots dark. I don't know, and I do eventually want to do that. I just didn't do it all at once just because I wanted to like start going a little blonde and go lighter and lighter and lighter. That way I don't fully damage my hair all at once. I want to give it kind of like a little break to heal and maintain its healthiness, and then, you know, go to that blonde color. But definitely let me know down in the comment section how you guys like my new hair. That is it. I'm gonna stop rambling now, that way you guys can watch the video if you guys want to see how I got this look. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get started. I already did my brows. I feel like for some reason my brows are like starting to grow like this instead of like, you know, even, but I try to make them as even as possible. But I feel like my hairs are just growing all different kinds of ways. So yeah, minus that, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the actual face. I like this color and stuff, but I just kind of want to, you know, change it up. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys have tried any other paint pots by MAC to prime your lids besides Painterly. I don't really like Painterly just because it's too pink on me, and I just think that it makes my eyelids look really white. So and it also gives like a pinkish tone, and I don't really like that. So for today I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. You guys know these are some of my favorite eyeshadows, and I've actually been collecting these over the years. I've used up several different shades, so I just decided to see about going into this palette because I want to do kind of like a almost like neutral eye, but I still want it to be like glowy and dewy. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of roll with it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do here, but I think I'm going to take this shade right here, which is my favorite one for the transition shade, and this one is a creme brulee. Looks like this, one of my favorites. It's just a really pretty, like almost neutral peachish brown color. And I kind of want to do like a bronzy look too, so I don't know if I'm going to go bronzy on the eyes or what I'm exactly going to do, but for now we're just going to go ahead and wing it. So I'm going to take this color and I'm going to use this as our transition shade, and I'm taking this on my favorite Royal Nickel brush, which is a just short fat brush. I love this brush. I seriously cannot find anything that's as good as this brush for transition shades because it just blends it out so good. I've tried looking at Morphe and I've tried looking at MAC to see if they have like dupes, but I cannot find this brush like a similar dupe to this brush. So if you guys want this brush, you'll probably have to go to Royal Nickel and get it. And then after that I'm going to take the color Frappe, which is a deeper version of creme brulee. I'm going to take that on the same exact brush, and I'm going to kind of just focus it like right here. For that, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild brush. I believe this is just like a crease brush. This is a really good drugstore brush, and I like it for just like softening the eyeshadow and the crease and not making it too harsh. So I'm actually going to be taking this color, which is one of my other favorites, and this one is called Cocoa Bear, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to take that very lightly. And the reason why I'm taking this kind of brush is because I want the definition to like be there but not be too harsh. So I'm like barely even putting this into the crease. And I'm going to kind of blend those two colors together. Lane knuckle brush, the blending brush, and I'm just going to go along those edges so that it looks more diffused. I'm going to take this like flat brush and I'm going to take this gold color right here, which is called, I don't even remember, I just know it's one of her Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadows, and this one is actually called Magic Act. It's a super pretty like bronzy gold, so I kind of just want to throw that lightly onto the lid. And I'm going to pick that up with a concealer brush. I love concealer brushes for picking up shadow because I feel like it just picks it up like so nicely. So I'm going to take this and just put this on the lid. You could also take your finger. I actually like my finger a little bit better for these kind of eyeshadows. It just makes it look more softer. So I'm going to just put that on the lid. And with the crease brush and then just blend that out. So palette, and I'm going to be taking this color Eye Boss, and it's like a black color. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to just put this right here on the lash line and kind of just like make it blend. And it's gonna look a little smoky, so it's gonna give like a little bit definition to the eyes, and it's just gonna make the lashes look like smoky. And then after that I'm going to throw on these lashes. These are the 3D mink eyelashes, and this is in the style Whitney, 100% mink lashes. I did get these from a Asian based store, so I don't know exactly where they would have these, but the brand is like BEU. It's like a really weird brand, but I believe this is Asian based brand. Maybe you can find it online or somewhere on Amazon, but yeah, I did get it in store at an Asian based store. So I'm going to coat my lashes with mascara, throw on the lashes, and then we will move on to the rest of the face. And as for lips, I think I'm going to take this coral lipstick. This is called Stockholm, and this is from NYX, and this is one of their soft matte lip creams. I've actually been wearing this for like lighter days. I don't know, I just think it looks really pretty. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to just put that on the lips. This actually is a really nice formula, and I like how like coral it is, but it's not like overly coral, you know. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this summer bronzy look. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell down below. That way you guys can be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!